I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. If you are new here, you might not know that I recently moved into a little cottage, and this is Neva's bedroom. So she sleeps on the top bunk here, and so this bottom bunk isn't being used, and I thought that I'm going to transform this into a kind of tent stroke sitting place that she can read and play with her toys and things like that. So there's not a lot of sunlight that comes in here because this isn't south facing, this is north facing, so there's not really a lot of sun, and she wants to have a little post office here. So I'm going to do a kind of bedroom transformation for her. We've only been in this house for a week. It's a little bit messy as well, so I'll probably do the bedroom transformation, the total transformation in another video, but I'm going to concentrate on transforming this. So if you are interested, then please stick around. I want to make this as inexpensive as possible, so I have found things around the house or things that I've got. This house is furnished, so there is a lot of stuff in it. So I got these lights for £1 from the pound shop. They were in my bedroom, but I've decided to use them for Neva, and I'm going to get some other lights as well. Now these net curtains were hung up here, but I'll just show you. So the sun's facing here, and I don't know if you can see it, but the sea is over there. So I took the net curtains down from this bedroom so we could enjoy the views. So I don't know whether I'm going to be able to use these to hang up, or whether I'm going to have to, you know, improvise. So you'll need some curtains or some net like this, and then throws, any cushions that you can get hold of. So these were all downstairs. I will link the living room transformation if you want to check that video out. So I've used these, and then there's this lovely throw here which I thought would be really nice. So this, I've not really planned this out, so I'm just going to see how it goes. So I'm going to set you up in the bedroom and then show you what I'm doing. I don't really need this quilt, so I'm going to take this off, take all the teddies off as well. I just settled the baby and now he's crying again, and then we'll take this off for now as well. So we're just left with the sheet. I'm just going to tuck that in because it's got a bit loose, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to decide how I want the blankets to go. So I've got this purple throw, which I'm going to tuck in nicely. I'm going to take this, I'm going to climb on the top bunk, and I'm going to hang this down, if I can get it. Under the bed, not under the bed, yeah, well under this bed, so that if they lean on it, it won't fall down. That's the hope. The weight of the mattress will kind of like pin it down, that's what I'm hoping. Right, so I've done that. So let me just show you what I did. So look, can you see? I've tucked it in under the mattress. Right. slightly. So then it's straight. Oh, I'm out of breath. Right, so now to start layering up the pillows. So what I thought I would do is I wanted to be able to have, like, if she wants to have her legs hanging off, then she'll be able to do that. I'm getting there. Right, I think that'll do. The brown ones on the end, you're not going to see them probably when the little neck curtain thing's on. So I'm going to try and do the neck curtain thing now. Hopefully it'll work. Let me see if I can try and... The pole wasn't working. So what I decided to do was get this old internet cable from my old internet broadband box. Now I have already tied one side. I didn't want to pin it in because I wanted to make sure that it would stay up. Now I'm going to see whereabouts the middle is. I'd probably say about, I hope it's there. I'm going to just loop this under here, just on one of the slats, because I don't want this to be loose and I don't want it to be a danger. Do you know, like when you read about kids who have died from getting their head in small places and blinds and things like that. So I'm gonna wrap it round twice. So yeah, that's great. So look, there's no way, don't think that anyone will be able to get the little head in there, so I'm just going to make sure that it's tight. I might put a pin in as well. Don't come in yet, Neva. Yeah, so look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this all the way over here and I'll just show you what I'm doing. So I just don't want to lose the traction. But, oh. Put the other curtain on, neck curtain. I didn't show you that part, sorry. So look, all I'm doing is I'm just going to wrap it round here a couple of times until there's no lead left, and then I'll show you what it looks like. That's what I've done. I've just tied it here. Like I said, obviously you could make it neat, or you might find a different solution like hammering something in, but with this not being our bed, I didn't want to do that. So again, it's really tight. So I'm really liking what it looks like so far. So this house has got certain things stored under the bed that we can't get rid of. So what I thought I would do is, look, can you see? And then I've got some things under there myself. So in the middle where you'll see it, I'm just going to put her little baskets. She's got a little plastic animals in there. So it just makes it look a bit neater. And she's got a rug here as well. So I'm just going to style this and then I'll be back. I need something to maybe tie these back. So even though you've got that plank there, you can still close it nicely. The ladder obviously stops. You can't, you know, it stops it from going down properly, but it's fine because it's going to be open most of the time anyway. I'm going to open it, see what it looks like, and put her teddy bears on. Searching for something to put these curtains back with, and I found these. There were some old crackers and you got free like, you know, little toys or whatever in it, and you got these rose gold paper clips with a little love heart on, so I thought, why not try and use these to tie it back. So I'm just gonna see if I can make it work. I mean, this one is fine anyway, it's going back nicely because of the ladder. So I don't really need one on that one, so it's this one here. So I'm just gonna try, hope you can see, it's quite dark, isn't it? Could have showed you when I was doing it, but literally all I've done is I've made sure that that is tucked in a little bit so then it didn't gather, and then I've just gathered this together and then just put that little paper clip there like I was saying. So I've got a spare one here, but I don't really need it for that side because that side's working fine. So my daughter might struggle a little bit to put that back, but I can always do it if she wants to close the curtains. So yeah, I really like the look of that, so I might just take a picture of that, what it's looking like so far. So now I just want to put her teddies in there for her. But obviously if you've got an older daughter, I think it would just look nice now as it is. I'll just stand up and see if I can show you a bit. So there we go, that's what it's looking like at a distance. So I need to sort them things out as well. I'm liking what this looks like. So I've got another neck curtain and I might try and do something else. I just keep adding to it the whole time, don't I? I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I've just folded this sheet in, not sheet, neck curtain in half. And I'm just going to tuck it in as well, and then she can go under a bed and get whatever she needs out of these little boxes, storage boxes, because like I said, because we're living in a smaller house, we're limited on storage. So I'm trying to make as much as I can, which I'll be sharing in other videos if I've not already done so. It's just a bit crease, that's the only thing. Right.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do.
So Neva, this is Neva. You can open your eyes.
I like it.
You've not even looked at it.
I like it.
What do you think?
Nah, she already saw it. That's why.
Did you see it before? Oh no, did you know what I was doing?
No.
Are you sure about that? What do you think, Neva? I thought it could be a place where you can read in there and play with your teddy bears. And I'm going to do the rest of your bedroom soon, okay? I'm going to finish that off in a minute. So you've got all your teddy bears in there, and then guess what, Neva?
It's a tiger.
You can pull that there and the other side, and then you can hide. What do you think?
I like it.
Do you really love it? Is it what you was expecting or not? You didn't expect that, did you? Do you really like it? Is it cozy?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Oh, this. I like it.
Oh, that's so good. Sorry, I've just got the baby here. Do you love it, Neva? 1400. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? Is he tickling your feet? He's nipping you. Oh, poor Neva.
You to pull me closer, look me in my eyes and tell me how I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
want to get in, do you think? Oh, you're letting him in. Oops.
He's okay.
Wow, what do you think, Micah? Wow. Oh, you're hiding in there. Nice.
Let me give you a book. You can have this one.
So you got a book? Wow.
Can you live?
You baby bum. That's super cozy for you, isn't it, Neva? Can't believe that I forgot to show it without the lights. I forgot to put the lights up. So here it looks like with the lights. And then you can just turn them off over there. Oh, it's so cute. Love it. Absolutely love it. I think it looks amazing. Neva! Look what I forgot. Is it cozy? Do you like that, Micah?
I'm gonna wait. Did you hide it under
Is that nice?
Did you hide it under here? No.
Yeah, I hid it up there. So you can just turn it off. I'll show you how to do it. He's really loving the lights.
Leave it on to night time. Can you leave the lights on? Whoa, hello.
Is he tickling you
You're
again?
nipping me. Birthday cake.
So I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. He's waving bye.